Billy, I cheat.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be right.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm your girl Cavian.
And I'm your boy Billy. Welcome back to our channel, guys. You see me, you know, she love ram. So anyway, so there, I know by the title down below you don't want to go on.
Oreo challenge.
Wrong with her. Oreo challenge.
So guys, all these challenges are going. I'm looking at some of do it, some I'm going to do it for
yeah. Because I'll just support you and do it.
So,
watch
we're going to place one of the Oreo sandwich on our forehead and we're going to use the muscles in our face to get it in our mouth. So for the person that loses has to eat
something insipid.
One of these. So this is
one of these are three of these. One of these are the three of these.
So this is tamarind. This is
barbecue
sauce, ranch dressing,
and that's it.
And mayonnaise. So the loser, we're gonna combine everything together, and I forgot to take a teaspoon.
Yeah.
So let's see how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Yeah.
Leave a talk in the comment section. Turn that like button blue and smash that notification bell.
Smash it, eh?
Smash. So let's get into the video, guys.
Who first? And people say if you hear
rock, paper, scissors. Pepsi
and Zion, no tell two food there, them busy, you see me? So
rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, rock. You first.
And me first go?
Yeah, cause you lose.
Oh, scissors can't cut the rock.
At this moment she knew.
No, it's probably have to put it on forehead.
So why would the rock paper? Why? Whoa, we are a genius. Whoa, we are a genius.
Come.
Anyways.
Come on, babe.
Go on, you first.
Alright,
ready. So, this is not a really fun. Yeah, see that?
You have to start over.
Start over back. So how will you eat it? Who first eat it? Then if you lose, you eat something insipid. So people, this is not really my type of. Alright. So people are 2 times that job. So me I know the belly eyes. Alright.
Hey Tasha, where you put me now?
No,
Tasha, where you do me?
Alright, watch out now people. Easy.
If miss, you have to focus.
No, people, me do it last night, you know. Do it last night, I did.
Guys, this not work what I thought.
Yeah, no? Alright, I come. One get from my nose bridge.
Guys, this will take focus and concentration.
Oh, we almost get it there.
Concentration.
Alright, ready again. Almost get it there. Alright, 1. Good time.
Yeah, cheat. Yeah, cheat.
Mistake. Alright. One deep with the so. Okay. This is the hardest challenge me ever do, people. Not even the pepper challenge are hard.
Yeah.
So I'm getting my nose bridge. Alright. That's what I want it. There.
Babe, don't shake me hand now. Woo! Alright. Okay.
I'm young again and
just shit, man. I did it last night when I can do it.
That's why I'm going to be because you just
Billy, I cheat.
Voilà. So,
Really cheat that one day, guys.
we don't watch the video. But we don't watch the video, people.
You need it to mix in or something.
No, we have to mix something, man. Look, that's it, man.
It's a little bit in a one little tops.
So,
But
me
you
up.
don't have to put so much.
Stop it, Alice. And I'm talking like this. So, hold it for me.
You don't have to put so
What
much,
up?
babe.
Stop it, nice.
Little bit.
All this,
One-
all little people come out of this.
One little Billy, don't put enough camera speak it
Hold
out.
on, man. Yeah, you come up with challenge. People, this challenge was created by Cavian.
A little bit.
Alright.
So that, guys, look. Mayonnaise,
So,
barbecue sauce.
me know that she can eat again, you know. Cause
Ah,
you have to skill them with the people, you see me?
little bit. Ah. The empty back one, we carry it instead of the full one.
Where's the tambourine there? Where's the tambourine? Cause you must feel like some of it. Pass the tambourine now.
You're trying about
Yeah,
that, get a different spoon and put a mayonnaise on the tambourine bag.
So,
Ew!
remember.
No, I mean, I
No!
no,
Hold it then.
Ah!
Come here, come get the ball rolling. Come here, man. I'm making them to the sick today, man. Come on, come on. Come here, man. 1, 2, 3.
Ow!
Come on, we have more for going, huh?
Ow!
Ready, guys. Eat. And sip it. Eat. Choo.
Ow!
You're not eating, just go.
Eat it.
Yeah.
See that? Huh.
People should not eat. People should not eat it, so she cheat.
Huh?
See, anyway. Ready again? Alright. I think we had about what shit are this. I'm letting them eat and letting them come to skill for that. Alright, let's say the skill for this. After it reverse back again. Can't make it. Head two. Straight and narrow. Yeah, that's it. 7 and more. Jesus Christ.
Oh, to drop it in my...
7 and more. We know you like that more. Half of them more, I think we're today. Get it down there. Get it right, and I'll be high bad. I'll be high big enough. Come on here. Hello. Take your time, man. Alright. You see people, it's when I reach now, high bad. It's just dead.
Guys, it's so close me there, guys, on the job. Alright. Alright, guys. Let's take
Alright,
patience.
So challenger is not a really
Patience.
Oh,
You know what you want when you lock up?
yeah.
And years, yeah. And guys, and years, yeah. Play the lot.
Yeah.
Me feel like Billy had cheat. Me feel like Billy had cheat. Me feel like Billy had cheat.
Alright.
Babe, let's do one little bit.
Alright, look at them. I got easy by
That is a 5 round. We have got 5 round. So we have 2
3
more left. No man. The video got 12 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes video. My run video too. Little too. Somebody give me too much something.
Alright, either one have to use the hand.
Yeah, use the rest.
Yeah, these people, you know?
So guys, I'm bring.
Yeah.
And what is mayonnaise?
Yeah, tampering and mayonnaise. Either, no, babe, I tam, warm your mouth. I have to, warm your mouth, no? Warm your mouth. Eat it out. Eat it out. Eat it out. Eat it. She can't manage. So anyways. Ready again, get biscuit. Ready again? Alright. People, comment down below.
Everybody knows
what?
Team Cavian na comment.
Cavian way. But I think if she will beat me, no challenge at all.
Whatever.
Team Billy all the way. Tasha, your thanks anyways, there.
So I'm gonna give the anti challenge which you can't manage.
Chance. People, much time when you see the thing come as now. 3 times I come in and my eyeball and she just dead. Even see this, you have a good side.
Babe, I feel like I want to use this for the intro.
Wow.
This.
Please.
No, for thumbnail.
Yeah, I'm going to meet again. What I want you.
Don't drop. Do not drop. Don't embarrass me again like that. Don't drop. Alright? Take your time.
I did.
Take your time.
People start coming out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah?
Babe.
Oh yeah.
Hey, look. No.
What?
Nobody can lose.
Me first.
I mean first.
No.
Play about the video.
Ah, hey, that baby, it's gone.
That never part of the video for eat
Well,
first.
alright. Easy.
And me first.
No, but get my
guys,
it wasn't first or last thing.
in the comment section, tell me who get the third round.
It is it, guys. I think I deserve to eat none of that.
Yes. And my mouth first going on.
It's not a first or a last thing. It's who can get it in their mouth.
First.
I want to be the judge of this. Me eat it, sick. I'm a belly. I have to cut my one myself. See that? Now roll it.
I make sure you eat it on the waist.
People should know the
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Eat. Ooh. One.
So after all that, people. Like this.
Yeah, but you don't show people them say eat it.
Of course, me eat. People me eat it. But
so guys, this is the we say five round, but we drop it to 4.
Yeah,
so we have
no, 3. 3 that.
This is gonna make 4.
Yeah, come on. 4.
4 round.
4.
So
Last
this is the last one.
Is it ready? Alright. Alright, now I'm there.
Stay patience,
Okay.
concentration.
And then what am I tired?
The muscle layer nose, muscle layer here.
Cavian. Cavian.
Alright.
Cavian.
Alright.
You have it there, what?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not saying no. Some cheating I go on this one.
Not a cheating, your head out of the camera. Put back your head in the camera, the people them see what go on.
People, to my head, this is me don't know if I take TikTok now and eat it.
When you watch the video,
you see.
edit the video so you will see it.
You see it, so. To win the last round, people. So, 2-2. Come now, make up a thing. I'm not feeling none.
No, little bit. Come now, man.
I feel people. Take time. Alright. Tampering. Let's see there. So guys, this was a really fun challenge.
Alright, I'm not give him so much money.
Yeah. Beat me.
Come, hold on.
Beat me.
Hold on, close the bottle.
No, none of that.
Eat it. Tastes bad. The mayonnaise and the ranch dressing is so bad. Then you can combine it with dressing.
But
So it's not so bad.
But this that
This
Tamarind?
with the barbecue
Barbecue
sauce.
sauce?
Tastes bad.
People we are eating barbecue, tamarind.
So anyway, guys, there you have it.
Yeah, it was a
if
fun
you're-
challenge.
Yeah, it is a fun challenge.
Yeah, and really kind of different to your face and everything, and
Yeah.
bring
So
all
guys-
the skills in you. You see me?
So if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe. And guys, follow us on our social media platform.
Junior_Jenna, that's my personal page, and for your personal page, that's Determinelevy.
Business page, jewelries and grills.
Yeah.
Don't forget to use my discount at Lulu
Lulu
Holistics. Lulu Holistics, guys. I promise you guys I'm going to give you a haul and their products. It's coming very
And
soon.
people, we'd have some masters still, and all of them get sold out, and
Yeah.
the business is going good and things so.
And we're thinking about restocking
Yeah.
more masks.
Yeah.
But yeah.
That's how we rock it, isn't it?
Yeah, so don't forget,
So
guys,
rock it, sir.
subscribe, like, comment, and share. As I
Yeah.
always say, turn that like button blue, smash that notification bell, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Yep. And we will see you.
in our next video.
Bye.
Guys.